Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor M.H. Annaya, and in today's video, we will learn a problem on the application of straight lines in actual practice. Friends, in today's video, we have a problem where a fan is hung from the center of a ceiling measuring 10 mm by 6 meter and height 5 meter. Friends, there is a hall which measures 6 meter length, width is equal to 6 meters, length is 10, width is 6, and height of that building is 5 meter. So friends, whenever you stand in front of a house or a hall, you will be able to see what is the length of the hall and what is the height of the hall. So you will be able to see two dimensions. One is the length, second is the height. So we have to assume all the walls and the ceiling of that hall to be transparent. Assume that they are all made of glass. So you will be able to see whatever that is placed inside that hall. Okay. Now friends, for the given dimensions, I am going to write down the top view of the house or that hall. So in the top view, you will be able to see the length of the hall and also the width of the hall. So I will just mark XY line, mark the length and width of the hall. Say this is the hall measurement. The length is 6 meter. Sorry, this is 10 meter. Length is 10 meter. And you have the width of that as 6 meter. So this is how the top view of the glass house looks like. So this measurement I have taken. And friends, in the front view, you will see the length that is 6 meter and height is equal to 5 meter. So I'll just produce these lines and just mark the height. The height is given to be 5 meter. And I complete this front view. Front view is another rectangle of 10 meter by 5 meter height. This is how the top view and front view of the hall look like. So friend, I told you before, you have to assume the hall to be a transparent hall. That is, the walls, both the front wall, side walls and the roof are all transparent. So here friends, the dimensions I have marked, and it says a fan is hung from the ceiling of a hall. The center of the ceiling. How to get the center in the top view, friends? If you just join these diagonals, you will get the center of that ceiling. That is roof ceiling. And then, friends, from there you can write a vertical line. And here the fan is hung from there. I will represent the fan, the front view, as F dash. F dash is the front view of the fan and this is F, the top view of the fan. Okay friends, then friends this says there is a switch kept in one of the corners of the hall and that is 2 meters above the floor. Friends, anything kept above the floor can be seen in the front view. So I am going to take one of these corners. It could be here, corner, second, third or fourth. Anywhere you can take. So we'll consider this as the corner in the top view and this is the corner in the front view because you could be able to see that switch 2 meter above that. So this is 5 meter and this is 2 meters above the floor. I will represent this switch as S dash and corresponding top view is S. So friends, we have got the front view of the fan which is supported by a wire 1 meter long. So I have just written 1 meter long. So this is 1 meter. So friends, these are the front and top views of the fan, and this is the front and top view of the switch, which is kept 2 meter above the floor, and this is hung from the ceiling. This is called the ceiling or roof of the house, roof or ceiling of the house, and it is supported by a wire that is 1 meter. Friends, we have got the front, top, and top views of both switch and the corner of the switch and the fan. So friends, we will join these two by straight lines which will represent the front. So S dash F dash when joined will give you the front view of the wire connecting S and F, the switch and the fan. Likewise, friends, here this line will give you the line connecting the top view of the fan and the switch. So friends, we have got the front view, you have got the top view, and both of these lines are inclined to HP, and hence to obtain the true length of this, friends, it is very simple. So I just write a horizontal line through this S, and with center S dash and radius equal to S dash F dash, I am going to write an arc. This arc will meet here. I will call this as F1 dash. So by drawing this arc, I have made this line S dash F dash parallel to HP. So now I am going to produce a line from there, a vertical line from there, and a horizontal line from here. The point where those two meet, the vertical line from here, horizontal line from here, will give you F1. Friends, the front view is parallel to HP, so the corresponding top view should give you true length. So friends, if you join these two, that is F to this point, this will give you the true length of the line, or the distance between the fan and the switch when measured graphically. So I will say here SF1 SF1 is equal to true length of line, or that is the distance between switch and the fan, switch and fan. And friends, this is how we work out this problem. And see on a simple concept that whenever the line is horizontal, the corresponding front view or top view will give the true length. So based on this concept, I have worked out this problem. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting, and if you like this video, don't forget to share with all your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.